Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I, Sean, register number URK20CS3026. I'm going to explain to you experiment number 6 of Database Management Systems Lab. So experiment number 6 deals with views. So we'll be working with views in SQL by writing suitable view queries. And a description about views is views are queries which are simply stored already and executed when needed, or we can also consider them to be virtual tables or a process of mapping data from different tables and keeping it together. Then we have the questions. So the first question is create a view, finance view based on employee numbers, employee names, salary, commission and department numbers from the employees table. So the command we use is create a view, that is finance view underscore 3026 as required, and the view is stored as select employee ID, then last name, salary, commission and department ID from employees underscore 3026. The same way we select from a table, but this time we store it as a view. Display the contents of finance underscore view. So we select star from finance underscore view underscore 3026. So it selects all the fields from the finance view. View can be displayed in the same way as a table, and that's what we have done over here. And next we have select the view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. So there's a data dictionary which will have all the views that that is created by the user. So that is stored in user views, that is the data dictionary, and from that we'll be selecting the view names and text. So those two fields we'll be selecting, and since we have only stored one view, that is the finance view underscore 3026, that is the only view name that is there, and the text is what the view is about. So that is the selection that we have made from the table, that is select employee ID and so on from employees underscore 3026, that is the text. Using the finance view, enter a query to display all employee names and their salary details. So we'll be from finance view, just like how we display from a table, we'll be displaying the last name and salary of the employees. Since it's already there in the finance view, select last name and salary from finance view underscore 3026, and hence all the salaries and last names are shown. And then we have select a view named department 90 that consists of employee numbers, employee last names, salaries and department numbers for all employees in department 50. So we create a view as department 90 underscore 3026, and we store the query in that as select employee ID, last name, salary, department ID and so on from employee underscore 3026, where the department ID is 50. So views are the same pre stored query, and we'll be just storing it as a view. So we're just putting a pointer kind of, that is a view. So we write a query and we store it as a view. Then because of that, views have a structure and also the contents, just like a table. So in a table we use the describe function once we are done with DDL command, so that we can see the structure of the table. So as you can see, even a view has a structure, and this is the structure of the view. That is, these are the fields and these are the types. Then we can also use the select all from department 90 underscore 3026, which shows all the entries of department 90 underscore 3026. Then we also attempt to reassign king to department 50 by using the update function, and we try to set the department in case where the last name is equal to king, but there is no king entry as you can see over here. So in that case there is 0 rows update. And then we have display the names of the top 5 salaried people. So select the row number as the rank, then last name, salary and so on from, we have another nested query, that is select distinct last name, salary and so on from the finance view, and we order that by salary in descending order, where row num is equal lesser than equal to 15. So the salaries are shown in the descending order, that is the highest is shown here and it goes in the descending order, that is the top 15 salaries are shown. Then after that we alter the finance view based on the employee last names, department names, salaries and salary grades for all employees. So we use the employee table, departments table, and job grades table. So create or replace a view, the view that is finance view underscore 3026. Then select employee dot like employees dot last name, departments dot department name, employee dot salary, job grades dot grade level from employee underscore 3026E, department underscore 3026D, and job grades underscore 3026J. These are the tables. From that we select these as the columns that we need. Then here in the 10th one we have display the name of the second last salaried employee. So we'll be selecting the last name and salary from uh, another query, that is distinct select distinct salaries and last names from employee, like the finance view where it is ordered by salary, and since it like ascending order, because of that we'll be having the these two values first, and it goes higher. So where row num is lesser than 2, so in that case, since we are starting with the least values, it shows the second least value over here. And then we have write the query to display the last 5 records of the employee table. So here we have used like order by row number, and in row number in descending order, so that from the bottom to the top we'll be ordering it by descending order. What of, like when we select the last name from this query, that is distinct row number and last name from employees. So since it's put in descending order, where row number is lesser than 5, first 5 rows displayed according to this order will be the last 5 rows of the initial order. So this is the last 5 names, and hence we have done all the queries related to views and executed them successfully. So that's all for experiment number 6. Hope you liked the video. If you did, do give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you guys in the next video.